Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very special video that's gonna solve most of our users problems, especially related to these plastic parts. As you can see, as I use this car, it has gone a little bit dull. The luster is missing and it's looking very dirty. So many of my viewers have asked me that how can I make it more shinier and retain the original luster of the plastic part, because it looks very bad. It's a very important part of this vehicle because it protects the lower portion of your panels from scratches. However, as you use it, it gets exposed to rainwater and mud and it starts getting very dull. So I have a very special product today that I am using it since last 8 to 10 years. I was using in my bike earlier, in my scooty, and now I'm going to try the same product in this panel. So I'm gonna show you the difference as in how it looks. So before I proceed, I will just have to clean this properly from a dry cloth. It's very difficult to clean because you need to drench it with water before you clean it, and then apply this magical product. That's it. And now I'm going to rub this properly so that the luster comes back. So now I think I hope you can see the difference. So this is how it used to look earlier, and this is how it looks now. So the actual shine and luster is back. You have to rub it properly to ensure that the liquid spreads evenly on the surface and looks very nice and clean. I can apply a little extra over here. That's it. And now I'm gonna polish it a little bit, make it shine. That's it. Now you can spot the difference. This is how it used to look earlier, and this is the result. So if you want to know about the product, please watch the video completely from start to end and subscribe my channel for more YouTube videos on how you can maintain your car and make it shine like new, like always. The name of the product will be in the description, so please subscribe my channel and have a wonderful day ahead. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.